There are lots of different AI lip sync options, but how to choose the right one if most of them don't even allow you to generate at least few videos to see the actual quality? Finally, I found two services. Each of them creates high-quality videos, and both allow you to use your own characters or audio files and create several videos completely for free. I'll use 4 images in each service: realistic image of a woman, realistic image of a man with beard and mustache, 2D and 3D cartoonish pictures. I'll use pictures of different styles to see which tool is more universal. The first tool I want to test is Mirage from Captions AI. You can find it on the Captions AI website or use link in the description. You have to create free account, so you'll be able to create your first project. First, you have to add audio file or video with some voiceover so it will be automatically extracted. Or you can generate speech from text with one of the available voices. Here are voices from OpenAI and 11 Labs. You can select different languages and accents. But I already generated short audio file in 11 Labs, so I'll upload from my device. You can trim your audio if you need and then click Continue. In Mirage, you'll have 600 free initial credits, which is really generous because 1 second of generated video costs 10 credits. There's one thing that makes this generator special is that all your audio files will be divided into parts around 3 or 4 seconds long each. You can decide where your audio will be split up by dragging this handle. Even my 4 seconds long audio will have jump cut. I don't know why this service works in this way, but I think this is because of some technical limitations which doesn't allow them to keep seamless movements of the character for a long time. I really hope this issue will be solved in near future. Next, you'll have to select character. There are some already created characters. You can generate your own images, or you can add your own pictures from your device. This should be some close-up portrait. Face should be clearly visible. It's better if the teeth of the person are visible at least partially, because it's hard for the generator to predict how the teeth should look. Don't forget that all the pictures will be cropped to 9:16 aspect ratio, and all the generated videos are vertical. Then the audition will be generated. This means that small part of your video will be created, so you'll be able to decide if you like it and then generate full version. The generation process will take at least 15 minutes, and if your video is longer than few seconds, like in my case, you'll have to wait even more. Okay, my video is ready.
Hello, I'm here to compare multiple AI lip sync tools and choose the best one.
Nice! As you maybe noticed, that jump cut in my audio file turned into jump cut in the generated video. In this case, this doesn't look annoying or something because this jump cut is not really noticeable. In other cases, jump cuts can be more obvious, and videos can look like they are already edited and some unnecessary part was cut out. You can regenerate each clip and then save the best version of the final video. And of course, each clip can be saved separately. The videos generated in Mirage don't have any watermarks so far. Second tool I'm going to show you is HeyGen. The generation process is easier than in Mirage, and it doesn't have that issue with jump cuts. On the free plan, it allows you to create 3 free videos per month. You just have to upload image of your character here. Aspect ratio can be 16:9 or 9:16. Audio can be uploaded from your device, or you can generate speech from text inside HeyGen. Here you can describe gestures, head and body movements of your character, etc. if you want. I specified that she is turning her head to the right. And here's prompt enhance option like in most image or video generators. And of course, I forgot to select the voice. Top matches section shows you 3 voices which should match the character from the uploaded image.
Here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar.
Okay, I like this one. 1080p quality available only with paid subscription. The generation process can take a lot of time. It probably depends on user load. Sometimes videos of the same duration can be generated for half an hour, but sometimes it takes around 10 minutes. Here is my video.
Hello, I want to decide which AI lip sync tool is the best.
As you can see, the video has a watermark. Probably here is too much dynamic motion, but the face and visible part of the body of the character weren't spoiled. She doesn't look too blurry, and the head movement corresponds my prompt. Okay, I created another video here without additional prompts, so now we can compare the results from both services.
Hello, I'm here to compare multiple AI lip sync tools and choose the best one.
It's hard for me to decide which video is better. Both results look alive. There's enough motion. The teeth of the woman look pretty consistent, but video from HeyGen maybe looks a little bit smoother, and if you look at the skin of the character, it's a little bit clearer. The second test is man with beard and mustache.
Hello, I'm here to compare different AI lip sync tools and choose the best one.
I wanted to see if the hair on the face can spoil the final result. The first thing we can see is that, like in previous case, video created with Mirage has some yellow tint. The jump cut is more obvious this time. The video by Mirage is probably a little bit better in terms of realistic lip movements. Lips on the video from HeyGen look like they made of rubber, but overall quality is really good as for me. Next, let's see how both services will work with pictures in 3D cartoonish style.
Hello, I'm here to compare multiple AI lip sync tools and choose the best one.
This video by Mirage is my second attempt to create video from this picture, because on the first video I got some weird hair movements. Results are pretty similar to each other. The jump cut on the video from Mirage is not so visible this time, and you can even see the hand movement at end of the video. Situation with 2D cartoon reference picture is more interesting. Here's again this yellow tint on the video by Mirage, if I can call it that.
Hello, I'm here to compare multiple AI lip sync tools and choose the best one.
Yes, you got it right. HeyGen animated full face of the girl, and the only result I got from Mirage is just eyes movements in the second half of the video. In this case, I made few attempts in Mirage, but all results looked like this. What about pricing? The cheapest plan in HeyGen costs $24 per month, while Mirage offers business plan for $200 in the first month and then $400 monthly. So this tool is not for small creators like me or you probably. In conclusion, I can say that HeyGen allows you to get high-quality videos easily. I never got completely spoiled videos here. Additionally, you can specify type of movements, gestures, facial expressions you want to see in your video. But the free plan is limited with 3 videos per month with watermark. Mirage is more generous in terms of free credits. The quality of the videos is pretty high, but there are jump cuts, spoiled videos, so you have to make few attempts sometimes. And it failed to animate 2D illustration.